Are you looking for the next AI stock that's quietly transforming the commercial and defense industries? Much like Palantir, it's providing cutting-edge AI analytics to critical government agencies and the private sector as well. In this video, we're going to explore a fast-growing AI powerhouse that's winning major government contracts, innovating digital identification and cybersecurity, and positioning itself as a key player in defense technology. Stay tuned as we unpack what makes this company special and why the leadership matters. We're going to talk about how the fundamentals and contract wins will drive revenue growth. Should be a fun video for you all. One thing I ask, one thing only, smash that like button down below. You're welcome to subscribe as well, and I appreciate each and every one of you. So let's jump into it. BigBear.ai stands out as an emerging powerhouse. It delivers advanced analytics, cyber solutions, and digital identity technology to a broad range of clients, including the U.S. intelligence community, Department of Defense, and major commercial enterprises. Their AI-powered solutions help organizations make sense of complex data, improve decision-making, and secure digital identities, addressing some of the most pressing challenges in national security, supply chain management, and data analytics. What sets BigBear.ai apart, just like Palantir, is its dual market focus on both the commercial enterprise markets as well as the defense industry. Now, their core offerings include AI-powered data analytics and predictive modeling, computer vision and simulation tools, and digital identity and biometric security platforms. Recently, BigBear.ai has made strategic moves to acquire Palantir to strengthen its biometric security capabilities, expanding its reach in both government and commercial sectors, and securing significant new contracts with agencies like the Department of Homeland Security and Department of Defense. With a growing backlog, improved financial flexibility, and a clear focus on innovation, BigBear.ai is positioning itself as a key player in the next generation of AI-driven decision intelligence. BigBear.ai is now under the leadership of Kevin McAleenan. He is the appointed CEO as of January 2025. McAleenan brings a distinguished background in national security and government operations, having served as the acting Secretary of Homeland Security and as Commissioner of U.S. Customs and Border Protection. In these roles, he managed one of the largest federal agencies, overseeing more than 60,000 employees and a budget exceeding $13 billion. McAleenan is also the co-founder of Palantir, a digital identity and biometrics company recently acquired by BBAI. His extensive experience in both public service and technology innovation gives BBAI a unique advantage. He offers deep government relationships and credibility. His reputation and connections within federal agencies enhance BigBear.ai's ability to secure and expand government contracts. He's got a proven expertise in security and risk management. His leadership in developing and implementing anti-terrorism strategies and border security innovations directly aligns with the core mission and product offerings of BigBear. BigBear.ai is currently a small cap, under $1 billion. However, they're growing rapidly. The company reported Q1 revenue of $34.8 million, up 5% year over year, and projects full year 2025 revenue between $160 and $180 million. They've improved their liquidity, reducing long-term debt by $58 million, and they maintain a cash balance of $107 million as of March 2025. Driven by ongoing government contracts and gradual commercial adoption, BigBear.ai is expected to maintain modest revenue increases, potentially hitting the lower end of the 2025 guidance of $160 million. If they continue to secure major new contracts, especially in defense and digital identity, revenue could exceed the upper end of current guidance, which is $180 million, with stronger growth in backlog and recurring revenue streams. BigBear.ai's recent government contract wins are a $13.2 million Department of Defense award, which is highly significant relative to their overall revenue goals. For context, BigBear.ai's projected 2025 revenue is between $160 and $180 million. A single $13.2 million multi-year contract represents roughly 7 to 8% of the company's entire revenue guidance. Also, the scale of these wins is even more evident when considering larger contracts such as the 5-year, $165 million U.S. Army Global Force Information Management contract. This contract alone is comparable to BigBear.ai's entire annual revenue, providing substantial visibility and stability for future financial performance. Moreover, these multi-year government contracts directly contribute to BigBear.ai's contract backlog, which reached $418 million by the end of 2024, and the backlog is more than double the company's annual revenue, indicating a strong pipeline of signed but not yet recognized revenue that supports long-term growth. All right, guys, I want to show you a couple of articles that I just ran across regarding BigBear.ai. And the first one is BigBear.ai stock to buy right now. After I go through these real quick, we'll jump on the option trading platform and I'll show you how I'm trading them. The company's share price soared more than 200% over the past 12 months through June 18th. The stock hit a 52-week high of $10.36 after President Trump announced Project Stargate aimed to invest billions of dollars in the AI sector. So definitely going to help Big Bear. And the stock is down 50% from its peak, so there's room to move to the upside. McAleenan, the new CEO, his experience with the previous Trump administration could help BigBear.ai survive the government budget cuts. So there's upcoming cuts, but really with what's going on right now geopolitically, I don't see that coming. And I definitely don't see it coming in the AI, digital security, and identification platforms. So I'm not worried about that at all for Big Bear. It's too early to tell if McAleenan can deliver since he only has the first quarter under his belt. However, the company's balance sheet includes a sizable chunk of debt. So we've got to be careful. It does have $198 million in Q1 liabilities. 101 was debt. However, total assets were $396 million, with $107 million of that in cash and equivalents. Now, on another article here, this one talks about, it compares C3 AI and BigBear.ai. And in talking about Big Bear, it says the company is meeting the need for more advanced technology to beef up national security. It's deployed its solutions in Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport. So that's a commercial installation, and in Denver as well. And it acquired Pangiam, where McAleenan came from, a leader in vision-based AI used for facial recognition and advanced biometrics. The main risk is its dependency on government spending. Its current market cap of $1.15 billion it dictates a price to sales of 6.1, which is actually pretty fair for a high growth company like this. This leaves room for upside, and it talks about his backlog of being $385 million. I think it's over 400 right now. So let's look at the platform. We punch in BBAI right here on the Tasty Trade platform. There's a link down below. There's some benefits if you go through my link. It's a great option trading platform. I'll go out to the 564-day January 2027 options and open up that chain. We're going to buy a Leaps option. I will buy the $4 Leaps option for $4.60. And so that one option contract controls 100 shares of stock. So that's 450 times 100 is 450 bucks. We could do 10 of them and do 4,500. But either way, what I want to show you here is the curve mode. And you can see, just like owning 100 shares of stock, as the stock price increases, the profit does as well. So you're breaking even, or you're actually doubling your money, making 100%, when we get up in this $12 range, we get up to $500 profit and loss at expiration. But we're not going to likely hold it for expiration. We're just doing this to simulate the ownership of the stock. Now, in addition to this, paying the $450, we can go back to the table mode, and now let's open up the August option chain. And I'm going to sell the 8 call against it and collect $1.10. So that's $110. Now I can do that every month. You can see it brings down the cost of the option to $335. So it's only 3 months, and we pay this off, and we basically control 100 shares of stock for free in 3 months. And again, I'll probably go, since it's such a small dollar, low-priced option contract, I'll probably sell 10 of them against buying 10 of the Leaps options. All right, be sure and download the free options workshop in the link below. Remember to hit like and subscribe. Let me know if you're trading BigBear.ai going forward. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.